Hello everyone, welcome to my another video. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe my channel so that you can get the new videos I'm uploading. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Now I'm going to show you how I am going to use Canva to create YouTube uh, thumbnail videos. Okay, so let me search here YouTube thumbnail YouTube video thumbnail. Okay, YouTube thumbnail or travel YouTube video thumbnail. Okay, YouTube thumbnail. Check this one. Okay, I can see page is loading slow. Internet. There are some design I can choose from. Uh, Let me to go down. Uh, mhm. Okay. Mm, Which one to choose from? Okay, let me choose this one. Now I can customize this template. Okay, I'm going to retype this text. How to use Canva. For custom design. Okay, so first this one, let me make it small. To use Canva. This one as well. Okay, let me make a mistake over here. Custom design. Okay, fine. How to use Canva for custom design? I'm now going to change this photo. If I go to my uploads, go bottom. I have some photo uploaded over here. Okay, so which one should I choose? I have many of my videos. Let me choose this one. So this one is gone. This one. Okay. How to use Canva for custom design? Should I live? Okay. Should I use any more of them? Okay, let me use my website logo. This one. By the way, this is my website logo actually. So if you want to see articles or interesting facts and know about something interesting, or even if you want to learn something, I have a website salimich.com. You can go and check my articles and check the website. I think I will go with this custom design. Okay, so I'm naming it how to use Canva for custom design. Sorry, Canva with capital C. Okay, I'll go with the name, and I'm going to download it as JPG. Okay, it's downloaded. Okay, it's downloaded, fine. So that was it. I'm going to use this uh, banner for my video. So if you like this video, and if it is useful for you, please don't forget to like this video, and please subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. And if you like videos, and if you like this one and want more videos about Canva, please write in the comment box. I will make more videos with Canva, so it will like help everyone. So have a nice day, and that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.